Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. तो आज हम करेंगे दुर्गा पूजा की हॉल। मतलब मैंने क्या क्या ख़रीदा है। तो अभी तो मेरे पास कोई फ्रेंड नहीं है शेयर करने के लिए दैट what are the clothes and things I bought for पूजा। So I thought क्यों ना मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर दूँ। तो पहला थिंग it is very important for me that I bought is actually हम लोग दुर्गा पूजा में सब नए कपड़े पहनते हैं, तो आई थॉट मेरे फ़ोन के लिए क्यों नए कपड़े खरीदूँगी। I forgot sometimes how to speak Hindi even though I've been speaking from my childhood. So I bought a back cover for my mobile phone. And for those who don't know that I have Moto G60 and I never thought that I would get such cute. Let me show you first. I never thought that I would get such cute back cover for Moto G60 because कहीं पर भी यहाँ पे हमारे यहाँ नहीं मिलता है Moto G60 की डिज़ाइनर बैक कवर, just simple transparent back cover मिलता है. I never thought and I gave up on it. And finally this Durga Puja, Flipkart launched this product for Moto J60. I don't know if you'll say that हमारे फ़ोन में भी है, तुम्हारे फ़ोन की जो लाइक मॉडल है वो डिफरेंट है. ये मेरा Moto G60 है, इसमें से अच्छा बैक कवर नहीं मिलता है. And I got it and I think I am lucky that they made this for Moto G60. Moto? Yeah, Moto. Whatever it is, I found this. Okay. Move on to the next product that I bought. अष्टमी के लिए हम लोग साड़ी पहनते हैं. साड़ी के लिए ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लुक मुझे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है. एकदम क्लीन, वेरी लो, लाइक any design, no design, very simple. So this year's theme was to red. You will be able to see on my birthday blog that I also wear a red cloth, red top, and the theme was red. So the whole year is red. So I decided to buy red, but I couldn't find red. And somehow my mood changed and I was like, no, let's go with this color. This is the sari I bought instead of buying red. And you can see it's a little bit this is the pallu over here. The pallu's design, it's very simple. I just do not like extra, so it's very simple. My background, one of my friend gifted this to me. I was so happy, but I don't talk to her anymore. Whatever, I'm very toxic. And this is the blouse that I got from Meesho. Most of them are from Meesho. And Flipkart में कुछ ज़्यादा ही महंगा लग रहा था और Meesho में I got it 219.5. Oh, कैमरे में ये red दिख रहा है. But in reality it does not. It is not red. It's pinkish. It's kind of pinky. What the fuck? What is wrong? I mean, also the design, the fittings was so awesome of this product. I love the quality, I love the color. It looks maroon. It's not, but in camera it looks pinkish, but it's not pink. It's my dream blouse. I'm gonna buy all the colors that is available because this fits me perfectly and it looks good on me because मुझे गर्मी लगती है तो sleeveless is comfortable. Okay, so this one I bought it from Flipkart. At first I thought I will buy this from any local store here, but then I was like no, इतनी रोद में मैं नहीं जा सकती, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है और I don't want any pimple on my face before Durga Puja. So somehow I scrolled through Flipkart like day and night and I found my type of aesthetic sling bags, which is this one. I mean, I mean, let's see this. I love it. I love the design. Look how like elegant it looks, and we have this thing. I don't know what is it called. और ये ना separate इसको हम खोल सकते हैं, इसको ऐसे खोल सकते हैं. Let me tell you the price. It's actually 350. I bought it for 350. The quality is very nice, very nice and very strong. And इसमें मेरा फ़ोन अच्छे से फिट हो जाता है, मतलब थोड़ा डिशुम डिशुम करना पड़ता है घुसाने के लिए, otherwise it fits perfectly. And here is, there are 2 compartments. Next, let's go for clothes. I'm gonna show you last. I bought a heel, which is my most favorite purchase in my whole life, because I feel like at the age of 25, I'm finally living my life and buying things that I wanted. I know my face looks oily because it is oily. My favorite jeans. Finally, as you, those who are my subscriber, knows that I had a problem while buying from Meesho, the jeans problem. But somehow I went to the local shopping mall, V-Mart, and I like the shade. This is whitewashed jeans. इसको पहनकर अच्छे से, मतलब मुझे इसका बटन खोलना पड़ रहा है, मैं ठीक से बैठ, मैं इतनी मोटी हूँ दिखती क्या? मोटी नहीं दिखती हूँ, इट्स जस्ट मैं थोड़ी फैला हुआ हूँ, मेरा पेट थोड़ा फैला हुआ है, whatever. So this is my favorite first ever proper wide leg jeans. I love it. I simply love it. This is my first purchase for Durga Puja. Oh my god, I'm sweating. I love this plazo. You can see the whole part. Let me show you. You see how the waist part is kind of small, and this is the lower part. If I wear it, it looks like a skirt, if I wear it. I love the fittings, क्योंकि waist की जगह पर ना ये wrinkles नहीं पड़ते जब मैं इसे पहनती हूँ. So I love this. I don't know how much. It's $3.99 actually. I love the color quality, and it a little bit, I don't know, skin color. It will match with all of my tops, whatever whitish top I have. Oh my god, I'm sweating again. And this is my most favorite white top in my whole 25 years of life. Look at this. I mean, yeah. Let me show you close. That's the design from here. Can you see the design? Oh, I love the design. It's so nice. It looks so elegant when you wear it. And this is the hand style. It like little bit short and at the same time top. I love the quality of this. This is how the bottom part looks like. It's the behind and it's the front. So that's what I bought, and it took $4.99. It's from New City Bazaar Metro. These two set, and this I didn't choose. My mom chose it for me, and somehow I thought that it will look good on me, so I took it. I was not into whatever happened previous year Durga Puja. Some auntie literally shattered my confidence of wearing dresses, but somehow my mom managed to inspire me to wear this dress because it looks good on me. So I bought it. You see the print. Somehow, I don't know if it will look good. It looks good, but it makes me look short height. So I had to buy a high heels that is black. I'll show you later. That's the thing. See. यहाँ पे थोड़ा बेल्ट भी है. किधर गया? Where is it? That's the belt. इतना लंबा है. So I like it. This is the one that I chose. I know it's black. I know it's black. It's kind of heavy. It's really heavy. Let me just turn it the right part. The reason I don't want to speak English, but I don't want them to know what I'm talking in front of camera. That's why I really want to speak Bengali and Hindi. So yeah, this is my choice. The first one was my mom's, and the second one, this is my choice. And those who are watching, thank you for watching. And if you don't understand English, please make sure ওখানে সাবটাইটেলস আছে, সাবটাইটেলসে ক্লিক করো, যে অপশনে সিসি আছে, যদি কোনো পুচকি বাচ্চা আমার ভিডিও দেখছো তাহলে ওখানে সাবটাইটেলসের একটা সিসি ক্যাপশন বলে অপশন আছে, ওই সিসি অপশনটাতে ক্লিক কর, তাহলে তোরা দেখতে পাবি that what is I am telling. And this year everyone is like crazy about vanilla perfume. I didn't buy vanilla perfume because it was again expensive, but I got a mist and it looks so awesome. It's this thing I got from Flipkart again. No, the previous cloths are from City Metro Bazaar, and this one is Noj. I don't know why does it written Victoria's Secret vanilla Kashmira 100 ml body mist. At first when it came I didn't like the smell, but everyone is like vanilla, and I was like, okay, let's buy vanilla. So I buy a mist, I bought that, but when I sprayed it, I thought I would just return it, but there is no option for return. But somehow I fall for the smell. I'm just obsessed with the smell. It feels like I'm having vanilla ice cream. Like मैंने यहाँ पे spray किया था, and I kept just smelling. I'm like, I need the smell. Where is the smell? And then I kept just smelling. First body mist. I'm just living my life. And the last one is the heels. Wait. Tremsy leathers. Of course. Do you all know how old I am? It's better if you don't know. It's better. So, are you guys ready for my heel? It's my first high heel, and that looks eventually sexy. Excuse me. This is my first black high heel. I hope আমার যেন পা না মচকায়, হবে না, বিকজ আমার আগের বছরও একটা হিল কিনেছিলাম আর সেটাতে পা মচকায়নি. সো অ্যান্ড ইটস ভেরি কমফোর্টেবল. It's comfortable, মানে ফোসকাও পড়বে না. So yeah, I'm happy for it. Oh, the price is 430 actually. And thank you for watching all my hauls. Thank you for saying hi to my teddy. Thank you. Please subscribe if you like my videos. Thank you.